Hello, beautiful souls. Thank you very much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing if you have not already and hit the bell icon too. So, in today's video, I'm gonna create this yellow cut crease, a different sort of a cut crease actually. So, let's get started. First, do your brows, and I'm just gonna use some concealer. This concealer is from Krylon and the shade is Ivory. I just made it run just below the eyebrow thing and then blend it out. And also use a sponge to blend furthermore. And now I'm gonna use this Miss Claire single pot eyeshadow in the shade yellow, and what I'm doing is I'm just gonna buff it into the eyelid area, just like so, like just tapping and gently blending. Basically, I'm just gonna focus on the outer corner a little more, and then I'll bring it towards the inner corner, like the way you see in this screen. And also I'm gonna blow it out slightly towards outer V, as you can see in the screen. Now once that is done, what I'm gonna do is, like in this eye look, I'm not gonna do that half cut crease. I'm gonna do different sort of like a winged cut crease. Let's do it using this sort of a color in the tip of the brush, using the very same brush. Just a very basic brush from Flipkart, which retails for just 150 rupees for 4 brushes, I guess. So I'm using the very same brushes, and this I'm actually depositing to the outer corner, and I'm just gonna pat it and then slightly blend it, pat it and slightly blend it. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Now I'm using this concealer from Oriflame. This has been used so many times that all the writings and everything has been erased. So taking it in the back of my hand and using this painting brush from the stationery store, and I'm gonna cut the crease. Now cutting the crease, usually if you see, we do half cut crease or do the according to our shape and desire, but then this time around I'm gonna make a wing out of a cut crease in the eyelid area, if that makes sense, like so. And I'm not gonna do the full cut crease or half cut crease. I'm just gonna make that creased wing, if I'm saying that correct. Like, yeah, this is my own creation actually. I'm not inspired in this look. I mean this is my own I'm doing this on my own actually. This is how I wanted my eye look to be as. Now what I'm doing is I'm using the Swiss Beauty roll on shimmer dust. This is how it looks like. It rolls on onto your eyes, and it deposits the golden shimmer onto your eyelid area. But yes, it does have a lot of fallout, so when you're rolling it, just roll it one side, not drag it across, so that you'll have less of a fallout. Now of course it's a roll-on thing, so you'll not have that precise application. And now I'm using the liquid eyeliner, which is from The Fashion Factory, and the shade is of course golden. And just lining that wing kind of a thing made up of a concealer. So let's do the other eyes. That's done. Voila! Our eyes is runway ready. Actually, I saw this sort of a look in one of the runway. I was watching for MTV model or something. I forgot, INTM. So I had seen one of the contestants sporting this sort of a look. Not exactly, so I got a little bit inspiration from there as well. Now taking a deeper color to the orange which we applied before, and then just mixing these two colors in. As I said, we'll have a lot of fallout, so we are going to use some mascara. This mascara is from Inside Cosmetics. Now I'm applying some lashes, which are like natural lashes. This is from Red Cherry. And of course I'm using wet wipes or baby wipes to dust off, to remove all the fallouts and excess of the the shadows and everything. So another eyelash is also done. Now let's do a little bit of our skin as well. I'm using this Biotic moisturizer all onto our face and just depositing and then blending it out, or buffing it into the skin. Now this is my DIY lip balm. Basically this is all the lipstick which was getting over, like I just scraped it and then I put it into that box. I'm using this foundation. This is from Oriflame, and buffing it into the skin. And this is like medium to sheer coverage foundation. It is not that high coverage, and I don't like building up the foundation at all, so no, we're not gonna do that. Applying a little bit of a compact from the brand Revlon. I personally do not like this compact powder, but then yeah, since bought it, expensive, we gotta finish it off. Applying this Krylon foundation in the shade Ivory to highlight certain areas as usual. Now basically once that is done, I'm using the very same compact to set that concealer in. I honestly do not like the option of, you know, putting the concealer, putting the powder on top of that using the concealer, because sometimes it becomes very, very patchy. I avoid that. But then this particular foundation which I use from Oriflame is a little you know, very on a shinier you know, side kind of, so I used a powder there. I just used bronzer to bronze up my face, a little bit of blush as well, and using this highlighter from the very same palette, and using the wet sponge to remove all of the excesses you see in the screen, applying a little in the bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, and the cupid's bow. And this particular makeup fixing spray is from SFR Color. I have a detailed review about this as well. And applying this color lipstick from Miniso, and this was a disaster. I looked horrible with this lipstick, so I thought of removing it. I'm sorry. So I changed it. I ate something. I was feeling hungry, and then I'm back. I used some nude color lipstick, and then I topped it with this Oriflame Super Shock lip gloss, which made my lip look a little plumpier and better. Yeah, if you can see. Now voila, I think that's all. We are done with the thing. Now of course we have to do our lower lash line. We are not finished yet. For lower lash line, I'm using this white eyeliner from LA Colors, and the shade is, I don't know, I forgot it. If you want to know, please let me know in the comment box, or I'll leave that in the description box. Oh, Seashells. Yeah, the shade is Seashells. Now doing the same thing which we did in the eyelid area in reverse, of course, like we did the lighter, darker, darker. Now we are going to do darker, lighter, lighter, like dark orange, lighter orange, and yellow. So yeah, lighter orange, and then we're going to set it with a little yellow color so that it's synchronized, you know, it gets synchronized with the upper eyelid area. Same yellow color which we used initially, applying in the lower lash line to smudge and have that blended look. So I really hope you guys are enjoying this video. This is a finished look. I would really appreciate if you skip this one, because I'm so bad in this one. I just cannot do it. Ooh, okay, that's all, I guess. So thank you very much. I really hope you guys learned something or the other, or if not, if you I'm sure you enjoyed something or the other. So thank you very much for stopping by, and I get back to my ponytail thing. So just like simple glowy glam eyes, nude lips, overdone brows. That's sort of a look I wanted to do today. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna show you the, you know, like close-up of the eye look as well towards the end of the video. So thank you very, 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 very much. We'll meet very soon. Yeah, this is how it looked from the back of my camera, and the hair is still there. I'm sorry about that. So thank you very, 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 very much for stopping by. We'll meet very soon. Take care. And if you do have any questions or anything you want to know, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.